Good morning, class 4th. As you know, today is the date what beta? That is 20th Jan 2021 and the day is Wednesday. You know, we are doing our revision and in revision we are on chapter number 15. This chapter 15 is completely about perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. So here beta, about perimeter and area we have discussed in our previous lectures, right? About perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides and area is the total surface enclosed by the closed figure. Perimeter is sum of all sides, sum of all boundaries. Boundaries, or you can say sides, and area is the total surface enclosed by, or you can say covered by closed figure. What is area? Area is the total surface enclosed by the closed figure, right? About the perimeter of triangle, perimeter of quadrilaterals and the perimeter of the shapes which are not proper, right? These we have discussed, how you will find the perimeter and how you will find the area of square and rectangle. So today's class, in today's video, we will discuss the worksheet of this chapter. It means we will revise once again which type of questions are there in this chapter and how you will solve them. Right, beta? So, let's start our worksheet of chapter 15. And this worksheet you have to do in your notebook. Worksheet. And we are doing revision. Right, students? So here in the first question, what is given that? That is side of a square is 32 meter. First question of your worksheet is side given, that is 32 meter. Find its perimeter and area. Question is find its perimeter and area. So it means with side given, so single side is given, it means that is square. So we have to find the perimeter and area of the square. Perimeter of square. Formula is 4 multiply side. 4 multiply side, because we know square has how many sides? 4, and all sides are equal. सो बेटा अगर आप 32 को 4 टाइम्स ऐड करते हो तब भी आपका आंसर सेम आएगा व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 32 विथ 4. सो दैट इज and it is equals to 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12. 128 meter. 128 meter. So perimeter of square is 128 meter. Right? In perimeter unit will not change. Perimeter में क्या होगा? Units change नहीं होंगी. Unit will remain as it is. Come to area of square. Area means we have to find the total surface, that is length multiply breadth, and we know in square all sides are equal. So here formula is side multiply side, and side is 32. So 32 multiply with 32. Multiply and write down the answer here. In case of area, units will change. Here is meter in the question. Here it becomes square meter. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बेटा? Square meter. Okay? Area आप रेक्टेंगल का फाउंड करो या स्क्वायर का, सॉरी, यूनिट विल बी हियर स्क्वायर मीटर, और यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो मीटर स्क्वायर मीन्स मीटर की पावर 2, सो इट इज कॉल्ड मीटर स्क्वायर. राइट नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर वर्कशीट ऑफ चैप्टर 15. नाउ कम टू सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज a rectangular playground is 100 meter long and 75 meter broad. Now see a rectangular playground. So rectangular है, it means length of both sides are different and length is given there, that is 100 meter and 75 meter. So suppose this is a rectangular field, so rectangular park. This is 100 meter and this is 75 meter. Right? So here length equals to 100 meter and breadth equals to 75 meter. Right? This is the first line given in the question. Now come to second, that is a fence is put all around it. Fence means होता है वायर लगाना, और जो हम वायरिंग करते हैं बेटा किसी भी आप प्लेग्राउंड की ले लो या फील्ड्स की ले लो, तो हम हमेशा जो फेंसिंग करते हैं दैट इज अराउंड इट्स बाउंड्रीज. आप सिर्फ उसकी बाउंड्रीज के चारों तरफ ही वायर लगाओगे. राइट? फेंसिंग मीन्स होता है वायर लगाना या उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जो हम यूज करते हैं. वायरिंग करना कंप्लीट फील्ड की या कंप्लीट प्लेग्राउंड की. सो वायर आप कहाँ लगाते हो? ऑलवेज आप इसकी बाउंड्रीज पे ही लगाओगे. अगर आप इनसाइड लगा रहे हो तो हाउ यू विल प्ले इन इट. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग द लेंथ ऑफ वायर, what we do? We need to find its perimeter. Always remember where the word fencing come in the question. It means there you have to find the perimeter. वहाँ आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? पेरीमीटर. और वो पेरीमीटर के पीछे रीजन क्या है? दैट इज पेरीमीटर के उस पे रीजन क्या है आपका? क्योंकि हम जो वायरिंग करते हैं दैट इज जस्ट एंड जस्ट ऑलवेज अबाउट इट्स बाउंड्रीज. वो आप इसकी बाउंड्रीज पे ही वायरिंग करोगे. right? So here perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth, and this formula I derived also. For that you have to watch the previous video. Okay beta, only then you can understand how it comes. 2 multiply 100 plus 75. So here 2 multiply 175, that is 2 5s are 10, 1 goes carry, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15, again 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3, that is 350 meter. So perimeter ये है, and the question is what is the length of this fence. So बेटा जो आपका perimeter होगा वही length होगी fence की. Length of fence equals to 350 meter. Length of the fence equals to 350 meter. Also find the area of the park. So it means here we have to find area of park. Now area में जो है वो आपकी बाउंड्रीज भी कवर होंगी प्लस आपका इनसाइड का सरफेस भी कवर होगा. एंड फॉर्मूला फॉर रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क इज लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ, एंड दैट इज 100 multiply 75. So your answer will be 7500. Unit will be square meter. Square meter. Right? Area of the park is 7500 square meter. Now come to the question number 3, that is area of square is 100 square meter. Square का area given है 100 square meter. Find its perimeter. So देखो बेटा, what we have to find in this perimeter, and what is given here, that is area, right? So now from area, firstly we find the side, and then that measurement of side we will put in the formula of perimeter. See here how to do this question. Area of square, that is 100 square meter. Right? We know formula of area of square is side multiply side. Right? And it is equals to 100 square meter. Now this 100 we can write like 10 multiply 10, right? So here side multiply side is 10 meter multiply 10 meter, right? Now this become side square equals to square of 10 meter. Its square means कि ये जो आपका side है it is 2 times 1 2, square cut by square. Here side is 10 meter. Side क्या ये हमारी 10 meter, right? Now we have to find its perimeter. So perimeter of square is multiply side. That is equals to 4 multiplied 10 meter, and your answer is 40 meter. Right? This is the way to do the question, where if area is given and you find the perimeter. Right, beta? I hope this question is clear to everyone. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. That is, perimeter of a rectangle is 70 meter. If its length is 25 meter, find its breadth. Now, see, as I told you, if perimeter is given, how you will find the length or breadth. So, in the question number 4, what is given here? That perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 70 meter. Right? If its length is 25, now given length, that is 25 meter. And what we need to find, that is find its breadth. So breadth we have to find. Perimeter equals to, रेक्टेंगल के पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या है बेटा? That is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Right? Perimeter is 70. 2 as it is, multiply length given 25 plus breadth. This 2 multiplication में है, here it comes in division. 25 plus b. 70 divided by 2, 35. 25 plus b. If you will take 25 this side, then comes negative and it is equals to b means breadth. 35 minus 25, 10 equals to breadth. So value of the breadth is equals to 10. Right? See बेटा, when we change the side, अगर आप इस साइड से इस साइड लेके आते हैं या यहाँ से वहाँ, जहाँ पर भी आप कोई भी साइड अगर चेंज करते हैं तो वहाँ पे साइंस चेंज होते हैं. मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल चेंज इन डिवीजन, डिवीजन चेंज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन चेंज होगा आपका एडिशन में, एंड एडिशन विल चेंज इनटू सब्ट्रैक्शन. सी इन यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, हम यहाँ से चेंज कर रहे हैं तो ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा आपका? डिवीजन में. यहाँ पे लेंथ एडिशन में थी, एडिशन आपका किस में कन्वर्ट होता है? नेगेटिव में, माइनस में. ओके, दिस यू हैव टू टेक केयर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल आर 25 मीटर एंड 15 मीटर रिस्पेक्टिवली. फाइंड इट्स पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया. सो बेटा आपको लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ गिवन है. पेरीमीटर फॉर्मूला इज 2 multiply length plus breadth. Put the value in this formula and you will get the perimeter of rectangle. Second is area. So formula of the area is length multiply breadth. यहाँ पे values put करो, you will get the answer of area. Right? Now the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is Question number 6 is Tina runs along the boundary of a square garden of side 60 meter. देखो it's mention in the question along its boundaries. तो जहाँ पर भी बेटा फेंसिंग की बात हो या बाउंड्रीज आई, इट मीन्स वहाँ पे किससे रिलेटेड है? आपका पेरीमीटर से, राइट? सो व्हाट टोटल डिस्टेंस शी कवर्स इन 4 राउंड. तो देखो वो जो रन कर रही है टीना, दैट इज अराउंड इट्स बाउंड्रीज. तो साइड ऑफ गार्डन इज 60 मीटर. राइट? तो बाउंड्रीज में रन कर रही है. इट मीन्स व्हाट वी फाइंड? पेरीमीटर ऑफ garden, that is, what is the formula of perimeter of square? 4 multiply side, 4 multiply 60 and it is equals to 4 6 are 24, 240 meter. Now what total distance will she cover in 4 round? So देखो बेटा एक राउंड में वो 240 मीटर रन कर रही है, 240 मीटर कवर कर रही है. सो शी कवर इन 4 राउंड्स, दैट इज 240 मीटर मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4 and your answer will be 4 zeros, 4 4s are 16, 1 goes carry, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. 960 meter. Tina covers in 4 round 960 meter. After that, also find the area of the garden. So area of garden. Garden किस शेप में है? Square. So area of square is side multiply side, that is 60 multiply 60. 6 6 are 36, 2 zeros as it is, and unit is square meter. Here area of garden is 3600 meter. Right beta? Now the question number 7, that is perimeter of a square is 400 centimeter. Find its area. Now यहाँ पे क्या गिवन है आपको? पेरीमीटर गिवन है और एरिया फाइंड करना है. एंड बिफोर दिस इन थर्ड क्वेश्चन एरिया गिवन था, पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना था. सो सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, हाउ वी विल डू दैट. This is the last second question of your worksheet. Perimeter is given, that is 400 meter. Perimeter formula is 4 multiply side. Now यहाँ पे ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, when I take to this side, मल्टीप्लीकेशन किसमें चेंज होता है? डिवीजन में. Multiplication will change in division. So side equals to 400 divided by 4, that is 100 meter. And now the question is find its area. So area equals to side multiply side, that is 100 meter multiply with 100 meter. Do the multiplication and write down the answer here. Clear beta? So I hope it is clear to everyone that how to find area, how to find perimeter from the area, and how you will find area from the perimeter. Right? We have done both type of question in this worksheet. Now our next and the last question, that is question number 6. Sorry, that is question number 8. In this question 8, it is given that area of rectangle is 1800 meter square. Find its breadth if its length is 60 meter. So now let's come to the last question, that is question number 8. क्या गिवन है बेटा आपको? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, that is equals to 1800 meter square, right? Second thing that is given here is length. Length equals to 60 meter, and then breadth हमें find करनी है. Now we know that area of rectangle, that is length multiply breadth. Now put the values. Area of rectangle 1800 meter square, length given 60 meter, multiply with breadth, क्योंकि breadth हमें find करनी है. See here, यहाँ पे जो 60 मीटर है ये आपका किस में है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. सो हम इसकी साइड चेंज करेंगे, and when you will change the side it comes in division. मीटर कट बाय मीटर, 0 कट बाय 0, 6 1 जा 6, 6 3 जा 18, and 0 as it is. Now beta, that here 30 and this meter, it is equals to B, right? So here what comes? 30 meter equals to breadth. Right beta? So here this question is the last question of our class, of our worksheet, that is of chapter 15, right? So today our chapter 15 is also over, and in this chapter beta, that is about perimeter and area. I hope it is clear to everyone. We have done every question, that what is perimeter, what is area, how you will find the perimeter of triangle, how you will find the perimeter of irregular shapes, right? How you will find the area of 2D shapes, that is square and rectangle. Clear beta? In this you have to take care only one thing, that जब आप साइड्स चेंज करते हैं तो आपके जो साइंस हैं, लाइक अगर यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है इसके साथ, तो यहाँ पे आके ये किस में हो जाएगा? डिवीजन में. प्लस में है माइनस में हो जाएगा, माइनस है इट विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्लस, राइट? सो ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं विच यू हैव टू टेक केयर व्हेन यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. अगर आप यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, यहाँ भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ले आओगे, योर आंसर विल बी गेट रॉन्ग. Okay students, so about perimeter and area we have discussed. If anyone have any problem in this chapter 15, as it is completed, so you can ask, and homework is revise chapter 15, because tomorrow I will take your test of this chapter. Clear students? You have to revise every type of questions from this and revise it very properly Clear? This is all about the perimeter and area.